Yeah, actually, it's not really a kickoff because the season is not going to start. It's only preparation for that inauguration day for Amahoro Stadium. So we knew it lately, so we had to prepare. There's no choice. And I found that the guys are fit. I'm surprised. Maybe they had some run during the break because they stopped something like 3 weeks. So I was expecting a lower level of stamina and performance, but they did it great today. So I'm positively surprised, and we're gonna play on Saturday with youth guys. Yes, for sure, because we didn't finish the recruitment, and also guys we are talking to renew contracts. So we have no choice. We have some players on trials and some young players, but the core of the team will be the core of the team of Rayon Sport of this season.
There is no friendly or easy game of PR and Rayon Sport. You saw that the crowd is very huge. The fact that it's inauguration of the stadium 100% will be full, 45,000. Don't you think that it's a big pressure on your boys?
If they feel that like as a pressure, to me it's a mistake. They don't understand what is football. It's a great opportunity to party for football, to party with the fan and to enjoy. They have to enjoy. To enjoy that, they have to play well, for sure. If you play bad, you remember that opportunity like I should play better. So they have to play good, sure, but no, there's no pressure in terms of result or everything. What you prefer to lose a friendly game versus APR and to win the championship? Me personally, I prefer. So it's the inauguration of that stadium, which is a new stadium, which is something that the country have to be proud, because it's a jury, as we say in French. And that's the opportunity to show their skills. As you said, stadium will be full, so they have to show their competence, their skills, to do great gesture. Me, I remember Zidane when the first day we inauguration the Stade de France. He scored a marvelous goal, and Stade de France, the inauguration day, all the French people remember that amazing goal that he scored. So I hope one of them we had the opportunity to score this type of goal or to do some beautiful gesture. It's a party, so APR it's a derby, but it's not war. We don't fight, you see. So me, I take it as a party, as an opportunity to enjoy, because in a career you don't have a lot of opportunity to play in full stadium in Africa, such beautiful stadium with safe security, beautiful architecture. Wow, that's amazing. That's wonderful. So if they think that we go on war, no, they're gonna miss the opportunity. So that's not my mindset, and I hope they are not. So we're happy to play APR. We want to beat them, of course. Even if I play APR on PlayStation, I want to beat them. But if you tell me we have to win, it's like telling me we have to breathe. When I wake up in the morning, I don't say myself I have to breathe. So when I play football, I have to win. It's obvious. It's so obvious that I don't talk about it. I never say we have to win. It's obvious. You put a feet on the field, you have to win, even on training session.
Last question. You are French. You traveled all over the continent. You know a lot of countries in Africa. When you see an infrastructure like that, this stadium that we're going to be inaugurating, like what comes in your mind? What crosses in your mind when you see that? Because everyone is saying thank you, President Kagame, but you are a foreign person living, paying trade in Rwanda. What is in your mind about the infrastructure itself?
That is wonderful. And that brings, how could I say, like a wave of positivity for sports. And because you can also do athleticism in this stadium, so for sports, for football, it's like dumping. And I was in BK Arena 2 weeks ago for the Champions League. I was impressed by BK Arena. I took a lot of pictures, sent to my friend in France who love basketball. They were impressed. So it gives a positive image of Rwanda first, and positive image of Africa.
In NBA.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, they said kind of NBA. I also went in Madison Square Garden and the stadium of Brooklyn when I was in New York. so I know how to compare. But yeah, the quality, and also it's not only facilities, quality of architecture, but it's the way that it's clean, it's nice, and the way that you keep it clean as it is now. Because I was in Congo, for example, in 2015, they had the African game, you know, so they have more marvelous infrastructure and facilities, big stadium for basketball. Everybody was impressed, even guys coming from Europe, they were impressed. But after that, they didn't keep that cleaning, they didn't watch it, and now it's felt, you see, and they need to fix it, and they could maintain and spend a lot of money to so people in Congo are kind of ashamed of the way they keep it clean. So it's nice, it's beautiful in terms of architecture and everything, but now the challenge is to keep it, to maintain that level of clean and that level of proper and of beauty. Okay, so yeah, I'm very proud to be part of that party, to inaugurate that stadium. And I think that maybe in, let's say, as we say in French, Black Africa, so except the Northern Africa, now after the new stadium in Senegal and the stadium in South Africa, maybe you are number 3 in Black Africa in terms of modern stadium with that stadium. And now I hope that games in championship will take part in the stadium, and of course the game of national team.